Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the ID.3 Life Pro Performance, finished in a lovely Moonstone grey in combination with a black roof. It features the 204 PS battery, giving you a range of up to 265 miles. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle with a full Volkswagen service history and also the approved used benefits, which I'll include at the end of the video. Starting off with the front, you've got adaptive cruise control, so perfect for those motorway journeys, alongside LED headlights as well, providing fantastic vision. On the side of the car, it's lovely optionally fitted 18-inch East Dairy black alloy wheels, finishing off the exterior perfectly, alongside power folding and heated wing mirrors. A generous amount of boot space available, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. And moving inside, it's lovely pattern cloth seats with ice fixed points on the outer seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers to charge their devices. At the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest with plenty of storage running down the centre as well. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got the brilliant sat navigation on board as well, with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. It'll also show you charging stations as well. Alongside this, you've got the brilliant App Connect system on board as well, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. And you've got the ambient lighting pack available with loads of different colours to choose from, depending on your preference, that transforms the interior while driving at night. And to help with parking, you've got front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. So the latest safety systems on board as well, which includes city emergency braking and much more to keep you and the family safe at all times. You've also got your air conditioning controls with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And there's multiple driver modes available as well, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Running a little bit further down the cabin, got your wireless phone charging, and also plenty of storage with a couple more USB ports to charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.